In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Instinct 2X series watch. As you first start using the watch, helpful tips will display, enabling you to learn more about the watch. Before we get started, let's talk about the button overview of your new Instinct 2X. The Instinct 2X watch has 5 buttons. Each button can be pressed or held for different actions. The watch screen has a label for the press function inside of the screen. The outside bezel has the label for the hold function. The light control button is on the top left of the watch. While your watch is on, pressing this button will turn the backlight on or off. Holding this button will bring up the controls menu. The controls menu provides quick access to frequently used functions, such as Do Not Disturb mode, battery saver, and turning off the watch. To learn more about the controls menu, see our hotkeys and controls video. Let's move to the GPS button on the top right of the watch. Press the GPS button to view the activities and app list. We will cover the activity list later in the video. You can also press the GPS button to select on-screen options. Hold the GPS button to view GPS coordinates. Pressing the GPS button again will save your location. The back set button is on the bottom right of the watch. Holding this button will show the clock menu. Pressing the button will return you to the previous screen. The down ABC button is on the bottom left of the watch. Press this button to scroll through the glance loop and menus. To learn more about your glance loop, see our Customizing the Watch Face and Widget Loop video. Use this button anytime you want to scroll down through a list of options on the watch. Hold this button to view the altimeter, barometer, and compass. This is also known as the ABC screen. The Up menu button is on the middle left side of the watch. Press this button to scroll through menus, such as the glance loop. Use this button anytime you want to scroll up through a list of options on the watch. Hold this button to view the menu. From the menu, you can customize the watch face, adjust settings, and pair wireless sensors. And that's it. Your Garmin Instinct 2X series watch is now set up. To learn more about your Instinct, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.